Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not joining games on your PlayStation 4. First, verify your internet connection is stable and strong. Next, ensure your PlayStation 4 system software is fully updated. Always check that the Roblox application itself is updated to the latest version. Finally, restart your PlayStation 4 console completely to clear any temporary glitches. These initial steps often resolve common connectivity problems. Optimizing your network settings can significantly improve your connection. Consider using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for better stability and speed. Manually configure your PlayStation 4's DNS settings to Google DNS using 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Test your internet connection within the PlayStation 4 settings to identify any issues. Temporarily disable any VPN or proxy services on your network. If network checks don't resolve it, focus on the Roblox application itself. Clear the cache data for the Roblox application on your PlayStation 4. If that doesn't work, delete and then reinstall the Roblox application entirely. Ensure your Roblox account is not experiencing any temporary bans or restrictions. Also, try joining a different Roblox game to see if the issue is game-specific, helping to narrow down the problem. For persistent issues, try advanced troubleshooting. Power cycle your router and modem by unplugging them for at least 30 seconds. Always check the official Roblox server status page for any ongoing outages that might be affecting everyone. If all else fails, contact Roblox support directly with detailed information about your issue. As a last resort, consider rebuilding your PlayStation 4's database from safe mode.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.